Hey guys, how y'all doing? Welcome to Curious Techie. In this video, we will talk about AI and how it will impact different job sectors.
What is AI? AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. It refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, learning from experience, and making decisions. AI systems can be classified into two broad categories: narrow AI, which is designed for specific tasks, and general AI, which would exhibit human-like intelligence across a wide range of tasks. Here are some examples of the use of AI in our day-to-day life. Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant use AI to understand and respond to voice commands, provide information, set reminders, and perform tasks such as playing music or controlling smart home devices. Online customer support. Many companies use AI-powered chatbots to provide customer support and assistance on their websites or through messaging platforms. These chatbots can answer common questions, troubleshoot issues, and escalate complex queries to human agents when necessary. Autonomous vehicles. AI is used in autonomous vehicles to perceive and interpret the surrounding environment, make decisions, and navigate safely without human intervention. Examples include self-driving cars and drones. Healthcare. AI is increasingly being used in healthcare for tasks such as medical imaging analysis, diagnosis, treatment planning, and personalized medicine. AI systems can analyze medical images like X-rays and MRIs to detect abnormalities and assist healthcare professionals in making diagnoses. Smart home devices. AI powers smart home devices, such as smart thermostats, security cameras, and appliances. These devices can learn user preferences, adjust settings automatically, and provide insights to improve energy efficiency and home security. Language translation. AI-based language translation services like Google Translate use machine learning algorithms to translate text and speech between different languages, enabling communication across language barriers. AI is expected to have a profound impact on the future in various ways like 1. Automation. AI will continue to automate repetitive and routine tasks across industries, increasing efficiency, productivity, and cost-effectiveness. 3. Healthcare advancements. AI will revolutionize healthcare with advancements in diagnostics, treatment, drug discovery, and personalized medicine, leading to improved patient outcomes and healthcare delivery. Job displacement and creation. While AI automation may lead to job displacement in some sectors, it is also expected to create new job opportunities in areas such as AI development, data science, and AI ethics. Ethical and societal implications. AI raises ethical and societal concerns related to privacy, bias, transparency, accountability, and the impact on jobs and inequality. Addressing these concerns will be critical for the responsible deployment and use of AI technologies.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.